Sawadee. Hello, my name is Soravich, the owner of Jatujak Thai restaurant.
Jatujak Thai street-style food is located at 5651 Steeles Avenue in Scarborough, Ontario. Decorated in a modern casual style with elements of Thai culture and design, the restaurant offers traditional street-style food in an inviting, relaxed atmosphere. Jatujak uses traditional cooking techniques combined with fresh meats and vegetables with imported Thai sauces and spices. These include curry paste, coconut milk, and Thai hom mali rice. Recommended dishes include gang kia wan or green curry with beef and pad kapao or Thai holy basil with chicken and fried egg. Both dishes are popular street food in Thailand. The Thai Select certification is awarded by the Royal Thai government to recognize that Jatujak is committed to serving authentic Thai food using proper ingredients and traditional cooking techniques. For more information about Thai Select, please visit thaiselect.ca.
Finally, if you are in GTA area, please come to join us. I promise you will love our food.